Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing the new Morphe palette slash collection. So Morphe have come out with a pastel palette and I'm so excited. This is in collaboration with Pony's Makeup, I believe, who I actually never heard of before. But she's done a collaboration with MAC Colourpop and Morphe in less than a year. It's been like 8 months and she's done those 3 collaborations. I don't know how that's even happened. I mean, yeah, she's beautiful and she's talented, but contract side, you wouldn't think she'd be able to do another collaboration so quickly. But yeah, this came this morning. I wasn't going to do a review on it because I thought I was too late, but someone requested it and I really want to try it today, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is the outside, and then once you open it up, there are pictures of her. She is gorgeous. The palette and the lipstick set, which is really cute. Her name is Park, which is cool. She has 4 cats, so do I. Oh my god, I have 4 cats too. Wow. So the palette is going to be $25, but it's going to be £24. And then the lipstick trio is $18.20. This is what the palette looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging so much. Oh, we've been waiting for a pastel palette like for ages, honestly. I don't know why it's not really happened already. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Has a name sheet, which I'll probably just stick up the top. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. It kind of reminds me of the 35B, but like pastelized. Okay, so please ignore my forehead and my makeup on my forehead. Because my fringe covers it, I don't really care about it. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyelids with some concealer. So I think I want to go from purple into blue into green. So I'm going to firstly take the shade Dreamer, which is like the brightest purple. It's this sort of shade. And I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. Oh, that is pigmented for a pastel. Love that. I will blend it out in a bit, but for now that's what I'm going to leave it like. Using the same brush, but I've just wiped it off. I'm going to take the blue shade, which is so pretty. This is the Into the Blue shade, and I'm going to pack that next to it. So far so good, they're not patchy or anything. Pastels can be quite patchy sometimes. Now going in with the turquoisey shade, which is so pretty, it's like minty. It's called Chill Thrill. And I'm going to put that next. And taking the green shade, which is Echo, and packing that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to just take each of those shades. This is a really easy look so far. And I'm just going to blend them out with a fluffy brush. Well, a fluffy-ish brush. I'm going to pack and blend. And I'm just like blowing it out quite a lot, so it's quite like smoky pastel. And now I'm just taking some of the white shade, which I knew would be called White Out, and just blending that on the edges to help blend everything out. I feel like I need to add something else because otherwise this is a bit boring. I just did my other eye really quickly. Honestly, this is probably going to be my new go-to look because it was so quick and it looks really cute. Now I'm taking some of the silver glitter, which is the shade Frostbite, and I'm mixing it with some Inglot Duraline, which is I've not got much left of. I'm using the last little bit, and I'm just going to mix some of it together to see if I can make sort of like a line of glitter. So I'm going to do the other eye of this off camera, and then come back with the rest of my makeup done to do the lower lash line and stuff. Okay, so I've just done my foundation and my concealer, so I haven't done all my makeup, but I'm going to do my lower lash line because I want to do it whilst my concealer's wet. I'm going to take the pinky shade, which is the shade Sky High. I'm going to pack this on my outer corner of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the orangey shade, which is Coral Cloud, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I'm just going to take the purple again and blend out those edges and then blend it into the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to put a shade on my inner corner. I'm going to use the green shimmer because it's calling my name. It's so pretty. It's called Mystical. Look at that, it's so pretty. So I just put the shade Euphoria, love that show, on my brow bone. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's like this blue iridescent white shade. So back again, still not completely done yet. I'm just mixing a couple of the, well, I'm using the orange shade and then the shade next to it, which is Soar, which is kind of like a peachy, corally, shimmery shade. And I'm mixing those and I'm putting that on as blush. And oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. Goes in with the whole vibes. And then I'm going to take one of the shimmer shades as a highlighter. This is the shade Fierce Flurry. You're going to see what this looks like. It's quite dark in the pan, but it's not that bright. I might mix a bit of Brilliant with it just to add a bit more. I'm all done now. Now it's time for the lips. So there are 3 lipsticks in this collection. Well, they're all pastels, and there's a pink one, which is called Wonder. There's an orangey one, which is called Charisma. And then there's a purple one called Mystify. So I don't think I'll get much use out of these. I think I'll give 2 of those away because I just won't use them, but I'm going to try this one. Okay, so I'm going to put some lip balm on in a minute and some gloss, but I'm just going to take this and kind of, that is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Make sure you have smooth lips because otherwise this will happen. Okay, so I took that off and did it again but put less on, and I like it better now, but I still would never wear this sort of lip colour. It just makes everything show up. I mean, I have really dry lips right now. It just doesn't look right. I don't think it goes with my skin tone. I just don't think I'll ever use this, which is disappointing. I might add a little tint to my lips, but I could use anything for that, you know? I don't know, I'm just not really a pastel lip kind of gal. But feels quite nice anyway. My thoughts and opinions. So obviously with the lipsticks, I'm not that keen on them. I mean, if you like pastel lipsticks or you want to try something different, then yeah, they're not too expensive. The formula's good, so I probably wouldn't wear them, and I'm going to give away the other shades. And then the star of the show, the eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this. I think this is going to be one of my new favourites. Like my go-to for like an easy but fun look. Like I wouldn't do the glitter liner, but these colours on my lid are so gorgeous. I love it. And for £24, like, it's really, really good. You get 35 shades. I forgot to say, this is the 35i Icy Fantasy palette. It's just so pretty, and you get like a lot of different range of colours, but they're not too in your face. So yeah, but I really like it. And I think they'll be good for blending out darker shades, like darker colourful shades. It's because you need a pastel for that sometimes. But yeah, I really, really like this palette. I genuinely will use it again, and I'm really excited to see what else I can create with it. It's really different, and there isn't anything really like this out at the moment, and I think it's been long overdue because like I've always wanted a palette like this because they're just so cute, and I can't wait to do like springy summery looks with this. So yeah, I really like it. Oh yeah, if you want to see an up close of the eyeshadow look, I did film it on my phone and I took a picture, so I'll be posting those on my Instagram. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.